Hello and welcome back. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please do like and subscribe. Give us a little thumbs up down there. That really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing number 143. So if we start in this box, we're missing a 3 and a 4. We've got a 3 here. So 4, 3. For this box, we're just missing a 1. This box, we're missing a 3 and an 8. We've got an 8 there, so 3, 8. For this column, then, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 there, so 6 and 5. For this box, then, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so 1, a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 4. We've got a 2 there, so 4, 2. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 there, so 5, 6. For this box, then, we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. If we look at this column now, looks like we're missing a 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so 5, 6 here, so 1, 6. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got the 5 here, so 8, 9. 5 here, so 8, 9. That means our 5 has to be here. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 7, 8. For this bottom row, looks like we're missing a 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so that's our 7. A 1 there, so 5 and 1. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 7, and 9. Got the 7 here, so 2, 9. 2 and 9 there, so this is our 7. And this could be our 2 or our 9. For this box, then, it looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got the 2 and 4 there, so this is our 9. That makes this our 2 and our 4. That 2 makes this our 9, so this is our 8 and 9. To finish out this box, then, we're missing a 2. For this box, looks like we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 there, so 8 and 1. To finish out this row, then, looks like we're missing a 5. And for this box, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so that's our 3, a 9 here, so 4 and 9. That was a pretty quick one today, huh? Well, thank you again for joining me today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.